Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to use MathGPT to solve math problems. So what is MathGPT? MathGPT is an AI-powered conversational chatbot developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text response based on massive data sets. So first step to use ChatGPT, go to go to MathGPT.com or download the mobile app and create an account. So click the MathGPT and type question. Type your question here. Type question or prompt into the chat box, or interact by editing prompt, questioning new responses, or using voice or summarizing features for tasks like writing, coding, or summarizing. So for example, uploads image, screenshot or document. Click media picker and choose the recent files. So click so solve above the math problem. So waiting the response of MathGPT. So this is a simple